Numerical based on equation of motion. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start? Now it is given in the question that acceleration is 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds? So time is 10 seconds. It will start after start. After start means that initial velocity is 0 meter per second. So it is starting whenever object is starting from rest, the initial velocity is 0 meter per second. Now we have to find the distance. We'll use the second equation of motion. S is equals to ut plus half at square. So S is the distance, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration. So u is given, that is 0 into t, t is 10 plus half into a, 4 into 10 into 10. So S is equals to 0 into 10 is 0 plus, we'll cancel this. This will become 2. 2 into 10 into 10 is 200. So the distance traveled by the car is 200 meter. Now let us do one more numerical. A motorboat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? Initial velocity is given because it is starting from rest. Initial velocity is 0 meter per second. And it is acceleration is 3 meter per second square. And time is 8 seconds. Now we have to find the distance. That is, we have to find S. And the distance can be found by using the second equation of motion. S is equals to ut plus half at square. So S is equals to u 0 into time 8 plus half into a is 3 into 8 into 8. So S equals 0 into 8 will become 0 plus cancel this. This is 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 into 8, that is 96. So S is equals to 96 meter. Now let us take one more example. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, with what velocity will it strike the ground? After what time it will strike the ground? Now in this question, a ball is gently dropped. Now let's say suppose I am having a ball in my hand. So initial velocity will become 0. When I will release it, its velocity will increase at the constant rate by 10 meter per second square. So initial velocity is 0 meter per second. Acceleration is 10 meter per second square. And it is at a height of 20 meters. So the distance traveled by the ball will be 20 meter. Now we have to find when it will strike the ground, what will be its velocity. We will be using the third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Final velocity we have to calculate. Initial velocity is 0. 2. Acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Distance or the height is 20 meter. So v square minus 0 is v square only. 2 into 10 into 20, that is 400. So v is equals to under root 400. So v is equals to 20 meter per second. So when it will strike the ground, the velocity will be 20 meter per second. And also we have to find the time. We will find the time by using the first equation of motion, that is v is equals to u plus at. Final velocity we have calculated just now, that is 20. Initial velocity was 0. Acceleration was 10 meter per second square. 10t. So 20 is equals to 10t. So t is equals to 20 upon 10. So all this, so t will be 2 seconds. So in 2 seconds it will strike the